This is Turtle Tracks Travels with Gary and Denise.
So, we've now been in the car for 4 hours. We still haven't got to Lake Hart, still about another 60 k's. And the drive from Coober Pedy to here so far is justice. All the way. I'll show you. Brace yourselves because it's really exciting stuff. Now, if you're standing up, you're going to have to sit down because you'll be just filled with excitement. That's it.
No nothing to say.
That is all you see
Just
all the way, and then there was a petrol stop at Glen.
that was the highlight of the stop, the trip so far.
Yeah,
Petrol
it
stop.
was the petrol stop. It was so exciting. I can't even remember the name of it. It's just basically 2 fuel stops there in that town, Glen Moomba or something.
I don't know, it's got some funny name.
It's the only place. And now it'll just be like this probably to Hart Lake.
Now to Port Augusta, just there is nothing.
There is nothing. There's just absolutely nothing to see. A bit like from Mount Isa, driving down to Uluru, the only thing that we'll stop at is the Devil's Marbles. That's it. There is nothing. It's just like this. So that's the truth. Honest here on our channel.
Down to Alice Springs, like that one.
Yeah. There is a lot of
Nothing for
nothing.
about 1200 k's.
There is, yeah, a lot of driving, a lot of
Drive for the
nothing.
guts, yeah.
Not nothing in between the good stuff.
No, it's nothing.
So you've got to prepare yourselves for that when you do this. It can be a bit boring. We've pulled into Lake Hart just to have a look. It's a free rest area there, but we're going to have a look and then try and push on a bit further. It was quite nice. Loads of flies up your nose.
Yeah, good for them. They're friendly.
They love you.
Flies love you.
This is a salt lake. I expect some times of the year it's all dried up completely.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. Sort of see pinky tinge to the
Yeah.
water.
Yeah, it is pink, isn't it?
Pinky.
Like the old Himalayan salt.
Yeah, you scoop yourself some up, put it in a grinder. Look at the salt in this like, little puddle. There's so much of it, it looks like broken glass.
Yeah. That is good.
Yeah, weird.
Good though, isn't it?
Yeah, something different.
Nice to stop on the way, just breaks up the
Journey.
journey, yeah.
You lost your words there.
Well, the boring drive.
Thought we stretch our legs.
Jesus Christ.
But yeah, it can get a bit
4.5 hours and we ain't seen nothing. This is it. This is a highlight of the trip.
This is highlight of the trip.
What was in his outback? It's just gone on forever, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Just pulled over to adjust my shocks because the road's a bit bumpy. I just realised I've got a leak. Under here, there's a bit of moisture. Now, I don't think that's a good idea. When we get to Port Augusta, we'll get it looked at. Oops. Right, we've made it to South Australia. We're at Port Augusta. And where are we staying, Nice?
We're just in the RV park. $8 a night, so we thought we'll have that as a little base and we'll venture out and go and see what there is.
Yeah, there's a water tap there and a dump point
Yeah.
for $8.
$8 you can't
It's right in town.
moan.
It's cheap as, isn't it?
Yeah, and they seem really friendly. There's a little club there and you can go in for a drink and a feed. We'll check it out and let you know what it's like.
Yeah, but I have to tell, $8.
$8.
Happy
You
all day
can't
long.
Moan.
How can you moan about that? Cheap as, isn't it?
Cheap as chips.
Cheap as chips.
We've come along to the lookout and Matthew Flinders, look out! Ah!
Yeah, be careful, don't fall.
Be careful, Matthew.
Step back, step back, step back.
So it's beautiful. There's a view of the obviously the Flinders Ranges here.
And the river. It's quite pleasant.
And the Red Cliff. They call it the Red Cliff Lookout.
Oh yeah. That's it. Come drop the car off to have the shock done. So here we are. So a big shout out to Springwood ARB for sorting all this out, and hopefully we can get on the road again. Cool.
Opposite where we're staying is Bird Lake, which is a salt lake, and it is pink. There you go. Wow, look at that. Look at the colour. It's just absolutely amazing. That's really pink. You always see photographs on Instagram and never seen anything quite as pink as this, natural. It's amazing to see with your own eyes. And it's just at Port Augusta, just off the main road going through. Friends of ours actually that we've met on the road messaged us about it. They knew we were here and said go check it out. So we actually drove thinking it was a bit of a drive, and it was literally, we could have walked from the campsite. The campsite is just a minute down the road, but never mind. Look how much there is. Cool. You gonna taste it? Nah.
That's where they get salt from. Look, you said that you'll sink a bit.
Yeah. Squidgy.
It is squidgy. It's like snow. Isn't that much of it? Look.
I know.
Look.
Look.
It's solid, isn't it?
Crystals.
Crystallised. Cool.
Cool.
That'd be salt with that. Sting your eyes. You went
Cool.
in there.
You'd float in that, eh?
Cool, yeah, boy. Hey!
We've come to the snow!
Not really.
No, it's this lake. Look, it's gone completely white from all the salt. We have a snow fight.
A salt fight? What's wrong with you? You only got a salt fight. Oh, it's all crusty.
Oh.
Look, you've even got your flip-flops on and a skirt. Look, that's how cold it is.
I know. We can stop pretending now. It's 35 degrees. Woo!
Yeah, look at it.
No, the locals will think we're crazy with all this on.
Yeah, all this salt, look. Pick some up.
Oh, it's really
crusty, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's all gone crusty. Look at that.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and tick that notifications bell and follow our adventures around Australia.